Hello students. So today we are going to discuss the third chapter of class 3 English, and the name of the chapter is The Wonderful Thing. So it is the third chapter of your third term syllabus. So before we begin the chapter, uh, so have you ever tried to create something new? How did you feel when your efforts were noticed and appreciated? So we definitely feel happy if our efforts were noticed and appreciated. So let us read this story about Amina to know about her experience. So let's begin. Of all the activities in school, Amina liked making things the best. Last Tuesday, while her classmates were busy at the work table making boards, Amina was making something different. So when she with her classmate were busy at the work table, they were making boards. They were asked to make boards by their teacher. So Amina was making something different. She was making something different, something special, something that was quite wonderful. She started out with an empty ice cream tub. All around the tub, on the top and bottom, inside and out, she glued bits of blue cloth, silver paper, pink tissue, colored sequins, and lots of glitter powder. So these are the things she used to decorate that empty ice cream tub. When it was done, Amina knew she had made a wonderful thing, the best thing she had ever made. She was very proud of herself. So when she was done with the work, art of work, Amina was sure that she had made a wonderful thing, the best thing she had ever made. She was very proud of herself. By seeing her art of work, she was really proud of herself and she was happy. She smiled. The teacher, Miss Manju, came over to Amina, saw the wonderful thing, and said, "That's lovely, Amina. What kind of a boat is it?" So, when teacher Miss Manju saw the wonderful thing and said, appreciated that, "That's lovely, Amina. What kind of boat is it?" She asked Amina, "What kind of a boat is it?" And before she could reply or could explain that it was not a boat but something rather special, Peter John looked across the work table and said, "What a silly boat! Look at mine, Miss Manju. Mine has a sail." "Yours is a nice boat too, Peter. Very good." Miss Manju moved further along the work table. So before she could explain that it was not a boat, rather something special, but Peter John uh, suddenly replied that what a silly boat. He said Amina's work a silly boat, and told asked Miss Manju to look at his work. Miss Manju replied, "Yours is a nice boat too, Peter. Very good." Miss Manju moved further. So uh, she was she moved further along the work table. Amina frowned. When mother came to pick Amina up from school, she looked at the wonderful thing in Amina's hand and said, "How pretty! Did you make it all by yourself? What is it? Watch out for the cars, dear. Come along. Let's cross now." So when her mother came to pick Amina up from school, she noticed that work of art on Amina's hand and also asked. She said it's looking pretty, and also asked that did she make it all by herself? What is it? She asked it what was it, but then on the next question She said to watch out the cars because they were crossing the roads, and told her to come along with her. Let's cross now. Let's cross the road now. Amina frowned. Once home, Amina put the wonderful thing on the coffee table. Her brother saw it and asked, "What's that? A spaceship or something?" So his brother also could not recognize her work of art. But before Amina could answer, he dashed off to play with his friends. So she didn't even get the time to explain or to tell what she had made. So Amina frowned. Amina's sister came along and said, "What do boys know? Anyone can see that it's a jewelry box." She picked up the wonderful thing and said, "It's so cute. How does it open?" So her sister was trying to open that box and asked, "How does it open?" But just then her mobile rang and she put it down quickly to go to take the call. So she also could not recognize, and before Amina could explain, her mobile rang and she put it down. She put the wonderful thing down on the coffee table and she moved quickly to take the call. Amina frowned. Father came home from work, and when Amina showed him what she had made, he smiled and said, "Wow, I'm not sure what it is or what it's supposed to do, but it's very good indeed." He kissed Amina on top of her head and went into the kitchen to talk to mother. Amina frowned. So her father also could not recognize what she had made, and this made her upset. So later that evening, Grandma stopped by for a quick cup of tea, but when she saw the wonderful thing on the coffee table, she stopped and gasped, "Oh my goodness, just look at this! Who made this?" So her grandmother noticed on that evening the wonderful thing on the coffee table, and uh, this was an expression, "Oh my goodness, just look at this. Who made this?" Grandma bent down and looked at the wonderful thing from all sides. So her grandma was looking from all sides carefully. She carefully turned it around, admiring it with many ohs and ahs. "Amina," she said, "you made this, didn't you? Now this is something very special, a work of art, a wonderful thing. I haven't seen one of this in years. It's different from the ones I remember, but by far the most beautiful I have ever seen." Grandma gave Amina a big hug, smiled, and said, My, what a wonderful thing. You must be very proud." So finally, her grandma noticed her work of art and said, "It is a wonderful thing." She named it a wonderful thing, and she's also mentioned that she haven't seen such work in years. Then she stood there with her arm around Amina and looked at the wonderful thing for such a long time. She was looking that work of art, that wonderful thing, for such a long time that her tea was cold when she finally had it. Finally, Amina smiled. With this, we come to an end of this chapter. Thank you for watching this video.